welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a great day. This is your Glamorous Penny Pincher Shalomi, and today I will be sharing with you a romantic Valentine's Day table for two setup in light of the Valentine's season. Let's take a look at all the wonderful, beautiful things that we have here on this table. This is a romantic setting just for two. I've only used 2 chairs and I've set only 2 places. So let's look at what we have at the place setting. So this place setting, you'll see here that I have 2 hearts that I got from the Dollar Tree a year ago. I also share them in my 2017 Valentine's Day Tablescape. But what I've done with them this time is I have put them facing each other so they look like a pair of lips. Beautiful, beautiful red. I think they still have them at the Dollar Tree, so check your nearest Dollar Tree. And then I place this beautiful, beautiful wreath. This is actually a wreath that I've placed on top of it. This is from Walmart. They had them on sale after Christmas at 75% off. The original price was $19.99, and with 75% off, I got it for like $5. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm using them as a somewhat of a charger with another charger on top, but it's just to add some texture to the table and also some bling. You know, I love to have bling to the table. In addition to this beautiful wreath, I am going to sit this charger on top, and this charger is no stranger to the camera. You saw these beautiful chargers in my Christmas Tablescape. So I'm using that, more bling to the table, and because everything is so beautiful, I am using just a see-through or transparent plate. That way we don't lose sight of all the color and the bling that's beneath it. On top of that, I have just placed a red napkin, and these napkin rings was a DIY that I did last spring for a workshop that I did, and it just works very well with all the bling that's on the table. Absolutely beautiful. I have also added this beautiful martini glass that I DIY'd. I went into Pier 1 right before Christmas and saw some martini glasses. They were actually stainless steel, and they had the bling from the stem and right along the base. And I decided I was gonna do it with just these clear martini glasses, and I think they came out beautifully. And this is sitting on top of a coaster that I've had for a while. And my table is complete with beautiful, beautiful candles, rose petals. Absolutely gorgeous. Also have a lovely bottle of wine here in my bling lantern, using it, or it's doubling as an ice bucket for tonight. This in the center, I have the DIY candle stand that I did a while back, and I've put a red candle in it, and it's sitting on top of a mirror. And I've added these little bling tea light candle holders to it just to add, yeah, you got it, more bling to the table. So guys, this is what I have for you. Hope you like it. I think it's absolutely beautiful, very romantic. Can't wait for Valentine's Day to sit and have a romantic dinner with hubby. I hope you see something in here that you will use for yourself. You can choose to take parts of it that you like, or hey, use the entire thing if you want to. But this is what I have set up. Just an intimate dinner for two, and I absolutely do hope you like it. If you look at the chairs, I have just added some cushions just to kind of cozy up the space a little bit. I think it complements the entire setting very well. And there you have it. Absolutely gorgeous. Don't be afraid to shop your home and use items like I have this wreath that I've doubled as a table piece or a charger. Don't be afraid to shop your home and see pieces that you can use in different areas to make your decor beautiful or your tablescapes beautiful. Everything on this table here that you're looking at are items that I've had. I haven't bought one single thing that's on here to create this look for two. If this is your first time watching my channel, I welcome you. And to all my wonderful penny pinchers, love you guys so much. Until the next video, this is Shalomi saying bye-bye.